What is stopping you to take your online teaching, training or coaching business to the next level? Is it a poor or inferior quality from your inbuilt webcam or background noise or not having a digital whiteboard? If you are facing these challenges and looking for a solution, then this is the right place for you. Namaste, my name is Amit Pradhan. I am founder of Rejuvenate Your Project Management LLP and EdTech organizations in the field of project management, Six Sigma and Scrum. In today's video, I am going to share you 3 different applications which are free and that will help you in eliminating these obstacles. The very first application I am going to share with you is a whiteboard application. With this whiteboard application, you can write on your PDF files, you can write some formula, you can draw something, and after completion of your lecture, training or coaching program, you can share the same content with your participants. The second application I am going to share with you is a screen recording and video capturing application. You can use this application for screen recording or video recording or even both. The third application I am going to share with you is converting your mobile phone into a webcam. So don't worry, your mobile phone will remain intact. Only its camera will be used as a webcam. So quality of your video will be surely enhanced in comparison to your inbuilt webcam. So first thing first, let's start downloading the software. Now copy the link which is given into the description to download the OpenBoard software. Once you paste the link to any browser, it will take you to the home page of download OpenBoard software. You will find 3 different options like for Mac, for Windows, Ubuntu. I will show you here for Windows. So hit on the download OpenBoard for Windows. It will start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, install the file, allow the file for installation. Select the language as English. There are other languages also available. I am selecting as an English. Click OK. Then click on next. Again on next. I am not checking these 2 options and directly clicking on the next. Then install. And now this application is getting installed on my system. Once the application is installed, it will ask you to restart the computer or you can start it later. So for the demonstration purpose, I am not restarting the computer and I will choose no, I will restart the computer later, and then I am hitting on the finish button. Now once you open the application after the installation, you will find this initial screen. There are different backgrounds. I am just changing the background as a plain white background. And now I am closing it. Now if I hit on this arrow, then it will show me the page 1. If I want to add pages, I can add another page. So second page is there. If I have to scroll between the pages, so I can hit previous or next, so it will be scrolling between the pages. Now this is a flexible toolbar where you can see the very first is the pen here, so you can write anything. Right now I am using the pen tablet to write something. So for example, I am writing a simple text. So you can write like this, and on the top toolbar there are different line thickness. You can change the thickness. If you want more thicker line, then you can select it. There are 5 different colors, so you can use a different color. Then there are eraser with different sizes. So if you want to delete something or erase something, then you can use the eraser. Eraser sizes are different. or if you want to clean the complete page, just hit on this icon and it will wipe out all the contents on the page. Now if you want to write something on your PDF file or PDF document, then the process is very simple. You need to import the PDF document into the whiteboard application. So for that, just hit on the document, or you can import. So I'm just hitting on the import, and then it is going to take me to the file. So I'm just opening this particular file. So this file I'm replacing. This file has come, the file has been imported. Now if I have to write something on the PDF file itself, so I'm opening that particular page. So this page is there. Now I can write anything over here. So I can write here. If you're not having the pen tablet with you, even then you can use this application. To use this application without pen tablet, you need to use this text field. Just hit on and then write your text here. For example, if you have to write any formula, then also you can write it. Let us say A into B is equal to B into A. Like that you can use it. Now there is a pan command, so you can even shift your page to make the space. You can use the arrow, and then again eraser is there to erase something, and then pen is there, different pen you can use. If you want to take a snapshot by using this particular, hitting on the icon, you can take the screenshot. If you want to add another page, just hit on the page plus over here, and the 12th page is now added over here. Now if you want to share this document after your session is over, then go into this particular folder and then you can share the file. Now to download the second free software, copy and paste the link into the web browser and you will reach to the home page of OBS Open Broadcasting software. Again, you will find three different options: Windows, Mac and Linux. I'm using a Windows platform, so I have installed it on the Windows. Installation is very simple. You have to download the installation file and then start installing process. It will install automatically. Once the software is installed, open the software. So once you open the OBS after installation, you will see this kind of screen. So here you will be able to see the video, then there are certain scenes, sources, then audio mixers, transition scenes and some controls. Before you start, you have to do some initial settings that you can do by hitting on tools and then auto configuration wizard. It will ask you three different options, so you can always hit on optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. Click on the OK, then click on the next. Then it will show you the base canvas resolution and FPS. So go ahead with the default one. Next, then it will show you the final result of testing, and then you hit the apply setting. So first setting is done. Now second important setting is hit on the setting, then it will take you to the new window. In the general, you don't need to make any kind of adjustment. In the output, simple is selected. There is another mode, advanced. So if you go into the advanced mode, go into the recording sections, and then you can change the recording path. Then recording format, this is MKV is there or FLV, both options can be possible. You can select FLV. Now I'm changing it to again simple, and then in the recording this FLV is there, so high quality medium size has to be selected. Then in the audio, keep everything disabled. I'm using an external mic right now, so I have chosen this as selected one, and rest all are disabled. Then in the video, base canvas resolution is there, then output is 1280 by 720. So select like this and then hit apply. Okay, so your setting is done. Now you have to add the sources. Since I have added the microphone as an external mic, so that's the reason you can see the up and down movement on this particular slider. Now hit on the plus or add button in the scene section. It will give you another scene. So I'm just naming it as a 02 webcam and hitting OK. So now I need to add any source to this webcam. So again hit on the plus and then add video capture device. I have to create a new video capture device. I am keep clicking it on OK, and it has automatically detected the inbuilt webcam. So we don't need to make any changes over here, just hit on the OK. Now this window is up to this size, so I'm just hitting right clicking and then showing and transforming to fit to screen, so it is fitted to the screen. Now my video is being captured by the inbuilt webcam, and you can always compare the video quality which right now you are seeing and what you have seen before this, that you can always compare. Now how you can capture the screen? So for that again you have to hit on the plus button at the scene side, then let us say screen capture is the name, hit on OK. It will again ask so source, and then you can say display capture, new, OK, and then you will see a windows like this. So hit on the OK and your screen is now getting captured. Now I'm going to show you the elimination of background noise. Eliminate the noise, or to remove the noise, what you have to do, you have to hit this cogwheel, right click it and then click on the filters, and now you can see there are 4 filters I have already added. So now I am going to deactivate it so that you can understand the difference of these filters. So I am just stopping the video so that I can deactivate it and then I can reactivate it. Now all the filters are deactivated, so now the microphone will be capturing the background noise. Now I am going to activate the filters one by one so that you can differentiate between the sound quality when the filter is activated and filter is not activated. So the very first is noise suppression. The method used is RN noise good quality, more CPU uses. So now I am activating it. Then next is the compressor. So the settings are, all the settings are by default except the ratio. I kept it 2:1 instead of 10:1. Now I am going to activate the limiter. So limiter setting are again by default settings, and to increase the volume I have added gain. So now I am again activating the gain, and gain setting is almost 10 dB. So all these are the settings to eliminate the background noise. Open the Play Store in your mobile application, then search for DroidCam OBS. and then it will take you to the application installation page. In your case, you will see install against DroidCam OBS. In mine case, you can see it is showing as open because application is already installed on my mobile. Once the application is installed, then open the application in your mobile phone, and then it will give you two important information. One is the Wi-Fi IP and DroidCam. To work this application properly, your mobile and your system should be connected with a common Wi-Fi. Now we need to input this Wi-Fi IP into the system so that both can be connected. Once connection is through, then you will see your mobile is working as a webcam. Now we have to connect our DroidCam OBS camera application from system to our mobile phone. So double click on this DroidCam OBS in the source. It will pop up another window. You will find the resolution 640 by 480. That is a standard resolution over here. Higher resolutions are possible, but then it will come up with some watermark. You don't need to make any changes in the video format. Then device, yes, use Wi-Fi. And now we have to input the Wi-Fi IP from our mobile phone. So I'm just putting the Wi-Fi IP and no change in the DroidCam port. So I'm just hitting on the activate and it will connect my mobile phone camera to this application. Here it is. So now my mobile is connected as a webcam and the image or video is getting captured in the OBS Studio. So hitting on OK. Now I am here. So my video is getting captured through mobile. Now I am just locking this window. If you need to capture screen as well as the video from your mobile, then you have to follow this process. So first hit on the screen capture, then it will start showing you the screen. Now in the source, you just add one more resource or one more source. So instead of adding DroidCam, you add a scene over here. The moment you add scene, it will ask create new or add existing. So now we are not creating any new scene, we are adding the existing one. And adding DroidCam OBS, this was scene we are going to add because this scene is capturing our video from mobile. So we are adding it over here and hitting on OK. So now video is superimposed on the screen capture. So I am just resizing it. So I have just resized it by dragging it to the right corner, and I am again locking it so that by any chance it should not move from its place. If I unlock it and I move it from left to right, so then again now I have just locked it at its place. So now my video is at the left hand corner and I can capture my screen. So this way I can record my screen as well as my video. If you find this video helpful in removing the obstacles you are facing to scale up your online business to the next level, then please like, subscribe and share this video with your reference. See you in the next video.